Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Before this video even starts, before I even show you guys these Hot Boy wheels, make sure you guys hit that like button. I'm watching you. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait right now. I'm not even gonna show you guys the wheels till you hit the like button. But I got some Hot Boy stuff on the way, boys. Check this out right here. You see this? If you guys want one of these, leave a comment down below on this video. Comment anything. I'm gonna send you guys one of these MOPBOYZ keychains, and you'll be the first exclusive before they even go on the site. And that's how we're gonna do it today. Let's get this video going. Yes, boys, today, I don't know if I even showed you guys when Scooter Swap Shop was here, but I ended up getting these wheels off them when they were here. So I got these CNC S23 wheels that they have on their site. They're actually pretty cheap for these are clean. So what I have on my scooter right now, you see the little stamp down there? Straight cast, as you see on the seam of that wheel right there. So, got these boys, but I figured I liked the way the red was looking on this scooter, so I always wanted to get red wheels, and I think I'm gonna put these red wheels on this scooter. So I also got some new S1 Michelins right here for these wheels too. So right there, I think the red's gonna look pretty good on. Like I said recently, I really want to put this stroker motor in the purple bike, so that might be happening. I don't know if I want to do that today. Should I? We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and put these tires on now. Hopefully I can put them on without having to go pop the bead, but I might have to go up to McLoverson's and pop these beads on.
What's up, man?
Alright, boys, we're gonna try getting this tire on. We got some soapy water without hopefully try to get this tire on without scratching too bad right now. Yes, sir. I think I got it without scratching too bad, too. Alright, tires on there. The beads need to be popped on though, so I'm about to go to my buddy's house and use his Air Cheetah Chuck, whatever you want to call it. Air Chuck, Cheetah, Cobra. Tires mounted on there. Got to throw the front one on. I probably won't throw the back one on until I figure out if I'm gonna change motors or not. But gotta hang the front one because no kickstand life on this thing. This one's kind of a pain to pull off because you have to like loosen the caliper once you get the wheel in the spot. This is gonna look so good on the red wheel. Which one's heavier? Actually. Oh my god, I thought I knocked my scooter over. This red one's a lot lighter actually too. That looks good. Look at that. Got the front one on there. About to throw the back one on now. Wow. Look at this thing, man. Look at this. The DIO headset. I got a chrome kicker to put on there right now too, and put the chrome kicker on. Shined up the pipe a little bit. I can go in more on the pipe, but this made the bike look so good. Yep. Oh my god. Front wheel was coming up the whole time. What's up? Okay. Damn, this back brake sucks so bad. I gotta tighten my brakes. I loosened it for the wheel put on. This thing wants to wheelie so bad right now. I don't know if how well you guys can see that, but like the wheel was coming up on this thing. I was getting all sideways and shit. We had Talia out here stunting on the purple one. Popping it up soon. Pop it up. Go this way. What up? How's it going, bro? Good, how about yourself? I was about to say, I could not find the fender for a second. There we go. This just feels too good. Something about the 50. I don't even want to change it to the 72 kit I got yet because of this. Coaster. I need my white bike's rear brake to feel this good, and then I'd wheelie it. My white bike has like no rear brake. Like when I was doing those power wheelies, you'd be pulling the brake and nothing happens. This thing drops when you pull the brake. So you feel more comfortable falling back like that, because you know that if you tap that brake, it's coming down. Alright, like I said, I got a new seat cover for this thing right here. So, this one's so bad. Look at that thing. Sheesh, cracked all over. So we got a new one right there. Just gonna go ahead and pull all these staples out the bottom of this thing, get this one off. This seat is destroyed too. Crunchy, bro. Like this thing just like, it's crazy. I got the seat cover over here baking in the sun a little bit. Get this leather nice and stretchy. It's hot out, so it's working perfect right now. Oh, you get him? You get him? He's on a fly hunt right now. He'll literally stand completely still and let a fly land on him, and then he'll go after him. Oh, you got that. Here, sit. You got that. You got that. For sure. Get the fly. Oh, you gotta be quicker than that. Sheesh. Thing looks pretty damn good. Gotta throw it on real quick. Sheesh.
Oh. Now my ass won't tear on the first one.
Do you remember how ripped up the other one was?
Yeah. I remember I rode it yesterday. My thighs were
It's a super clean now.
ripped apart.
The purple S, man, can this thing get any cleaner? It really needs to be time to swap these motors. I was hesitant on doing it today, like I talked about, but this needs to be swapped ASAP because I need to keep this thing pristine, man. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. We got the S shining, we got the new seat on the S, and we got the brand new wheels on the stroker piece. So like I talked about, and I said multiple times now, I'm probably gonna be swapping these motors really soon. So this is soon to be the stroker. That means I plan on doing a few things with this disc front end, drop down forks, and I already got some parts coming in the mail that you'll see very soon for this purple S build. So a few things to come. These will actually be on the website very, very soon for all the people who ask about these spike nuts right here. I'm gonna have a few on the website and see how they do. If they do well and sell out quick, I'll probably order some more for you guys. But a lot of people ask me on them, and they're kind of weird to find. So I found some. I ordered a bunch of them, and I'm gonna be hopefully being able to hook you guys up. Also with the super rare boy, because these come with just the metal studs, and you don't really want the metal studs without a washer. And I don't like using metal washers because they scratch the plastic. So I got these little fancy rubber washers in there. And I also ordered a bulk of those. That way I could throw a little kit together with the spike nuts and the washers for the boys with the 5-piece. So you can also do the rear. So make sure you guys check out the website and stay tuned for that. Also, very, very exclusive piece coming very soon. Let me just show you all something right here. The little MOPBOYZ JDM shoddy on the keychain piece. These are the super exclusive because I plan on dropping these very, very soon. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys like the new wheels on the S. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.